Got a Harbor Freight mini lathe here, 7x10, and I'm broaching a shaft. Here I'm cutting a little slot in the side of it. I don't know if you can see it, but I had a piece of high-speed steel here, and I ground it into. I had a cutoff tool here. Got it at Harbor Freight. And I tried shimming it up and broaching it, and it just didn't have the right angle. So I found me a piece of high-speed steel, and I cut it in a way that it would do the job that I needed. Let's see the angle of it there. And basically what I did was I shimmed it up to center line the best I could. And now I'm just manually turning it into the slot there. Just taking a little bit at a time. And eventually I'll have a slot in there, hopefully. I practice with this one, but eventually I want to make a slot in it like that. This is an old shaft out of a blower, a hand crank blower, antique, to heat up coals in a fire, and I returned it. You can't see the rest of it because it's it's chucked up, but I've got the groove and everything already cut in it. But,